go live again because of a big old thunderstorm outside and it's raining. Did y'all hear that? And that lightning was so huge it almost blew my eye out. Almost made me go blind too. Boy, I'm so lucky I didn't, but it really hurt. But I'm okay. Nothing to worry about. Thankfully, I'm not outside and getting electrocuted. Too risky for me. Wonder if the fireworks show is going to be canceled in my area. It might have to wait till the next day. Unless someone's brave enough to still go out there and do it. Seriously, that is dangerous. There goes another one. Biggest storm of the year on the 4th of July. Impossible. It usually doesn't happen on holidays like this. And I'm still celebrating it because I love holidays. I don't back out on it. Well, I'm going to stop the video here. Y'all have a blessed evening. Stay safe out there when you're doing fireworks. If it's not raining in your area. Love you all.